The Atal AICTC Atal FBP number 1749383773, recent advancement in sustainable, smart and sustainable infrastructure was very excellent, and various feedbacks, positive feedbacks were given for this FBP. So I am scrolling down in the WhatsApp these feedbacks. So Sangeeta Manikanam has said that thank you, Professor, and thank you, Professor, for your efforts and patience to complete this program successfully. Then we have Prabhu Thansi. He also said a big thank you to the institute and the organization for such a wonderful and well planned and organized FDP. Thanks to all. Then Thiru said heartfelt thanks to FDP organizer for an insightful program with excellent time and management coordination. Then Priya Sahu said, thanks to Tiwari sir and team for organizing this FBP. He has got some technical issues, but we have resolved. Then Prabhu Thansi has said a special thanks to Dr. A.K. Tiwari sir and Dr. Jitendra Singh sir and his fellow members for their effort and coordination. Then we have the feedback from Professor Akriti. She said that thank you, Dr. Anjani sir and Dr. Jiten sir for organizing FDP and being in touch with us almost all the time during FDP. Then we have uh, the uh, Professor Syam Lal sir. He has said certificate done thanks to the host team, and then Dr. A.K. Tiwari sir and Dr. Jiten sir for their sincere effort and as, uh, assistance to participants at all stages. Then we have the vote of thanks from Gaurav sir. Gaurav Singh, मैं संकाय विकास पाठ्यक्रम एफडीपी इसके सूक्ष्म रूप से नियोजित सुव्यवस्थित एवं उत्कृष्ट रूप में संपन्न आयोजन के लिए आदरणीय आयोजकों के प्रति अपनी गहन कृतज्ञता एवं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। इस कार्यक्रम की शैक्षणिक संरचना, विद्वतापूर्ण विमर्श तथा सत्र के क्रमबद्ध एवं निर्बाध प्रस्तुति न केवल उत्तम स्तर की बौद्धिक गंभीरता का परिचय है, बल्कि यह भी स्पष्ट करती है कि आयोजकों की सतत निष्ठा एवं अटूट संकल्प शिक्षण प्रशिक्षण की गुणवत्ता संवर्धन, वैश्विक समृद्धि एवं संकाय सदस्यों की क्षमता निर्माण के प्रति पूर्णता समर्पित है। निसंदेह इस पहल ने हमारे शैक्षिक दृष्टिकोण को व्यापक बनाने और कार्यप्रणाली को प्रतिकृष्ट करने और तथा उच्च शिक्षा में निरंतर अधिगमन एवं नवाचार की संस्कृति को प्रोत्साहित करने में अमूल्य योगदान दिया है। Then we have a vote of thanks from Alpha. Avan thanks and congratulations to organization of this FDP, Dr. Tiwari sir, Dr. Jiten sir, and all his team members. Then Vishwa said that good morning, heartfelt thanks to the institute and the organization for the wonderful planning and well executed FDP. A special note of application to Dr. AKT, Dr. Jiten Singh and their teams for their sincere effort and seamless coordination. And these are the various feedbacks we have received.